Mygo seating system instructional video. How to unpack and assemble the Mygo seating system. What's in the box? All parts will be contained in polythene bags with each one clearly labelled. Carefully remove them from the boxes and check you have all the parts you have ordered. A number of adjustments will require the use of a multi-tool and a spanner, which you will find supplied in the box. Setting the backrest. The backrest will be folded down for shipping. Raise it into the vertical position and, while doing so, slide the inner tube into the receiving outer tube. Secure the backrest in an upright position and tighten the socket cap. Check that it is secure and does not move when pressure is applied. Attaching the seating system to the high-low chassis. Adjust the height of the chassis to its maximum to reduce risk of back strain while attaching the seat unit. First, release the safety locking pin at the front of the seat. To do this, pull the pin out and rotate through 90 degrees. Pull the handle at the front of the seat unit up. Carefully lift the seat and place it into the chassis. Release the handle and push it forward to ensure it is fully engaged on the front tube. Rotate the safety locking pin so it engages in front of the handle. If it hits the handle, then the seat is not inserted properly. Remove and repeat the process. Attaching the footrests. Remove the seat from the chassis. Open the socket caps and slide in the calf supports. Set to the desired position, with the foot plates facing forward, and retighten the socket cap bolts with the multi-tool. Attaching the push handle. The push handle is attached to the high-low chassis by inserting the two lower stems into the receiving tubes as shown. Push the stems in until the poppers protrude from the other end of the receiving tubes. Secure the handle in place by tightening the locking knobs. Attaching the shoulder section. Insert the shoulder section bracket and supplied spacer plate between the backrest and the headrest mounting bracket. Bolt back together. Secure the two metal tabs with additional screws provided with the new spacer plate. The screws are attached from the front. Check it is securely fastened. Attaching the headrest. To attach the head support, slide the stem into the reducing sleeve and receiving bracket. Ensure the slot in the reducing sleeve is aligned with the slot in the receiving bracket. Set to the desired position and secure using the hand lever. Attaching the lateral supports. While holding the components together, align the plastic angle adjuster mouldings and lateral bracket with the slot in the backrest and refit the washer and bolt knob. Inserting attachment bolts on sandals. Insert the required attachment bolt alongside the retention plate. Place a rubber lid on both the top and bottom of the sandal. Fasten using the 4 screws provided. To remove or replace the attachment bolt, reverse this process. Attaching the sandals. To secure, on the underside of the foot plate, place the rubber washer, followed by the metal washer, and then the knob onto the attachment bolt. To position the sandals, simply loosen the bolt under the foot plate, select the position you require, and refasten the knob. Attaching the armrests. Open the receiving bracket by loosening the ratchet handle and insert the armrest. Ensure that the popper has locked securely. Retighten the ratchet handle. Attaching the hip laterals. Lift the piece of polypropylene on the front of the sacral support. Place the hip lateral brackets into the slots and attach using the flange nuts and screws provided. The flange nuts should go on the front side of the sacral support. Attaching the tray. The tray is attached to the seat by inserting the tray tubes through the center of the armrest. Once the tray is located in the position, the knob should be tightened securely. Attaching the grab rail. To attach the grab rail, insert the receiving brackets in the tray slot and secure with a plastic knob. Repeat on the other side